For 50 years, SAE has helped define the future of creative media and technology. Since 1976, students at SAE have learned by doing, working alongside industry mentors and developing skills that set them apart. From recording studios to film sets, edit suites to design labs, students step inside the craft and start building their careers. What began as a single creative community has grown into a global network of storytellers, designers, producers, and innovators. Today, SAE spans 49 campuses across 20 countries, connecting creators with opportunities around the world. Across film, music, games, design, and technology, SAE graduates are redefining their industries. And for the next generation of creators, their journey starts here. SAE, celebrating 50 years shaping creative and technology futures.